I'm Susan. Today I'm trying a new recipe using Oreo cookies and Cool Whip. That's it. Or whip topping. I'm using a store brand. I hope you'll enjoy this video and then I hope you're having a great day. So without further ado, let's get started. This recipe calls for 16 Oreos crushed and 2 cups of whipped topping. I'm going to double my recipe. To begin with, you want to crush your Oreos. I'm using a food processor, but if you don't have a food processor, just stick your cookies into a Ziploc bag and beat it with a rolling pin. I've done that many times. And as I said, I doubled my recipe. But it ended up there was 34 cookies in this bag, so I went ahead and threw them in there as well. Once your cookies are crushed, you want to pour them up in a big bowl. And to that, you want to add your whipped topping. And once you get all your whipped topping added, you just want to slowly fold it in with a rubber spatula so that your whipped topping doesn't deflate. I have learned that there's about 3 cups of whipped topping in a bowl. So I just used 1 bowl plus about another cup out of the second bowl. Once everything's mixed really well, you just want to cover your speckled cream. I'm using cling wrap. If you have it in a bowl with a lid, you can use your lid. And you want to refrigerate it for at least 2 hours before you eat it. Now, this is good on its own, but it's really good served over brownies or fruit or any way you want to eat it. But this is a very good dessert and so easy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.